Hi my loves, I hope you're well. As you can see today's video, we're doing a video on how you can curl your wigs. I've gotten so many questions on my Instagram and TikTok of how you can curl your wig and make your curls last for a long time. So this is the video. If you're a new subscriber or if you're new to my channel, my name is Jody. I'm a hairstylist based in Nairobi. And yeah, I'm here to teach you some of the few things. And if you're new here, please subscribe, please comment, please like and share my video. I would highly appreciate that. So we're gonna need some curling iron, some heat protecting spray, and as you can see, I was just applying some heat protection. I usually use the ORS heat protecting spray, and when you apply too much it becomes very sticky, so I made sure that I just put a very little amount of heat protector. I recently got this mannequin head, and I actually want to be doing more YouTube videos here where I just teach people how to just do basic things like how to braid your hair, how to curl your hair, and just the basic things. However, I wish I could have gotten like a 4C mannequin, a 4C hair mannequin, but I couldn't get them. And the ones that I saw was on Amazon and they were very expensive. So yeah, we'll just have to work with what we have. And then you're gonna need also a brush. I use that brush to just make sure that there's no tangle throughout the hair after I apply my heat protecting serum. I do start off by sectioning the hair into I prefer starting the curls from the back, as you can see, and I section the hair midway so that it doesn't fall when I'm curling the bottom part of the hair, and I just clip that away. After clipping all the hairs that I don't need right now away, I divide my section into two, the lower section into two. I take my rat tail comb. This just helps to detangle the hair before I curl it, because when you curl your hair before detangling it, it just becomes very frizzy, especially when you comb the curl out. Then now I take my curling iron. It was at 210 degrees Celsius or 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So now when you start curling, you use one hand to curl, and you want to curl away from your face, and then you use the other hand to pull the hair backwards into the color. And then we move and do the same thing, and then we go down as we push, and we don't push as quickly as possible. We just want to make sure that all that heat gets back. And then when you get to the end of the curl, now you go back again. And you let that curl sit for a bit before you let it go, so that it's a very tight curl and not a loose one. You let it sit for some time. I think I let it sit for like 10 seconds here. After the 10 seconds, when removing the color from the hair, you want to make sure that you hold that curl and spray some got-to-be spray just to make sure that that curl is as tight as possible. And you want to clip that away so that your curls don't fall and look very loose, if that makes sense. So as I curl throughout the rest of the hair, I make sure I do the same process over and over again. I comb the hair with a rat tail comb. I use the curling iron, and I use my other hand to hold the curling iron. I go down as I give it some time to get the heat, and I use my other hand to pull it back into the barrel. And then you want to go all the way down, and then now go back up again with the curling iron and hold the curl for like 10 seconds. After it's done, you spray some got-to-be spray. Don't spray a lot because it's gonna get too sticky. Don't spray a lot, just spray a little bit of that spray and then clip that away. So I do that throughout the hair, and I'm just not gonna talk a lot, but I'm just gonna do a time lapse of the entire video.
Your
after I was done curling the entire hair, I sprayed some Got2b spray and let it sit for some time before you try to remove the clips. And baby boy and baby girl, do you see the curls? Do you see how bouncy they are? Do you see that? So I do that throughout the rest of the hair. So now I'm going to use a white tooth comb to just comb out the curls, because baby girl, you're not walking around with the curls looking like that. Just comb them out, and this is how your curls should look like. And you remember one of the reasons why I was telling you that you need to make sure that you comb your curls before you when you comb sorry I meant when you comb your hair before you put the color on, is because you don't want the thing to be frizzy. So when it's frizzy and you try to comb your hair, it just tends to become really tangled up. So you shouldn't have that. And this is how your hair should look like. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're a new subscriber or if you're new to my channel, please like, comment and share my videos. I would highly and greatly appreciate that. Bye and see you in my next video. Bye.